open 20 years this year, I guess, yeah. And I just made those last year, and when you close it, it's an anvil. The old bellows in there, I have electric fan now. But
oh yeah, that was the old school way.
Yeah.
How old is that there, do you reckon?
That was probably a couple of, well, this forge is 125 years. It's probably a couple of hundred years maybe, that piece of contraption, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
I mean, does it still work?
Yeah, they work, yeah. If you're doing demonstration now, it'd be nice instead of...
Yeah. You do some demonstrations, do you?
We did a bit with GG and blacksmithing classes through Udrus the Belt over there. So yeah, we used on and off. I used that as a kind of a coal forge for the blacksmithing classes.
Okay.
So we had 3 fires going.
So this is the main forge?
Yeah, I have a gas forge there, but I don't use it. Too expensive. It's over there. Yeah. That would be red hot in there.
Oh god, yeah.
Yeah, you put and what you heat that much at once, and I like the coal fire will heat maybe 3 or 4 inches. So.
Right. Would you use that for like a big massive?
Yeah, or a lot of scrolls or something. But I made a nice stairs there 10 years ago maybe. It was all scroll work. So you need like 7 foot of a bar. If you had 3 or 4 of those in the gas forge at the same time, you could do really fast compared to here. You know, this is mainly, you know, before I got into the sculpture work, this kind of stuff, like it's the same stairs, you know, the landing there.
Wow, totally bespoke.
Yeah, so this is a lot of the furniture I used to make in the States. I was in down near Miami, north of Miami, Palm Beach. Spent 4 years there. Got a lot of work to do. Like I love the iron work and especially handmade stuff. They don't care the cost or anything. The money's there. So
oh, absolutely.
It's a great place to work. I went over there and I was welding in a welding shop on Cape Cod.
Yeah.
And the weekend with myself and my wife would drive around, and any craft shop I would go
You'd be going in?
And happened to came across a little blacksmith shop and a cooperage of the same building, and he was making lovely stuff. So I was like, I want to do that stuff. So
yeah.
I joined the American Blacksmith Association, so that blacksmithing over there. So yeah.
Wow. Oh, that was when you started.
Well,
you kind of had it anyway, probably.
I had it like I had the knowledge how to use tools.
Yeah,
and,
yeah.
You know, bits and pieces. Like I wasn't a beginner of such.
Yeah, I'd say you picked it up fairly quick.
Yeah, it was easy. It was easy when you really like what you're doing. So, like a chandelier over there. I started it, not ordered, but I'll finish it someday when I have time.
It's not ordered, so it's just just
when it was quiet, I was making some. I always make stuff. I mean, that deer outside, I made it. Nobody ordered it, but it's. I sold. It's going to.
Someone will.
Somebody
see that and go,
geez. So it's going to Cork.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Is that painted?
It's galvanized.
Galvanized steel. Yeah.
So I make little pieces, you know, companion sets. At the fireplace. Made that lantern last week for a movie company in Dublin. They're making a movie in the Wicklow Mountains, so...
All the custom rivets are kind of individual.
Riveted, yeah.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Candle holders again, would they be? Or?
They're, you can put it on the wall. You put a candle like that, you know. And that was my dad, my grandfather, and this guy built this place, my great-granddad.
Wow. And he built this building?
This guy built it, yeah.
Wow. How long ago was that?
About 1890 something.
Wow.
Yeah. He came back from the States. He bought a piece of land here, built a house next door and built this place. Yeah. Oh, they're the old traditional fire tongs.
Oh yeah.
Hand forged.
Mind if I pick one up?
Yeah, sure.
Wow.
Nobody makes them like that anymore.
No.
They fabricate them and you need 2 hands to open it. And sell a lot of them to the hardware shops.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
How much is it of them?
If I sell it here, it'll be €25.
Is that it? Do you do online? No?
Yeah, well, I do a bit online and, you know, say I'm not really good at that. I'm not interested in that.
Yeah.
Stuff.
Yeah.
I don't care about the size. Do you know what that's for?
Do I know
You
what
have to
that
put a
is?
handle in it yet. You know?
Logs, is it? No?
Cutting turf.
Cutting turf. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, slaying, yeah. My dad was a wheelwright, that's why he could make the wheel. The wagon wheel in there.
Oh yeah.
The cart wheel. He used to make the whole thing, the cart, the wheels. A lot of work on the wheel, like. He put the band on that and then he also had the, you know, the tire, the steel tire on it.
Yeah.
We used to have a big fire outside and put the tire in, that would expand.
Yeah.
Put over the wood and
Cool it
pump
down.
water. You know.
And it'll shrink down onto it.
Yeah.
What do they do in the hub then? Is it a wood hub or steel or?
A steel, it's, let me show you, I have an axle here that would go through there. That would go through it like.
Oh yeah.
You put a pin it down so it won't fall off. Like,
Yeah.
Put loads of grease on it.
It's tapered, yeah.
There was no even power tools that time when my dad was making it.
No.
It was perfect. My dad's a lot of the old hammers and stuff there.
Wow. Love this sort of thing.
It's worn down, like it's kind of bowed a bit at the
Right.
corners. Yeah.
And can you bring them
Oh
back?
yeah, you can resurface it, yeah.
Bring it back to life a bit.
Yeah. But actually it's better to have it used, you know. If you're straightening something on a straight surface, it's very hard to get it straight. It's better to have a bit of bow.
Is it?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
And that's what, a little jig for
Bending and stuff, yeah. That's a tool you put in there to cut a piece of hot steel, you know.
Yep.
That's a nail hammer. If you're forging a lot of stuff, you know, it's better than hammering everything. with
Yeah,
that,
yeah.
You know.
Save your shoulders.
Yeah.
So your dad didn't have one of them, did he?
Just this. And maybe somebody using the sledge, you know, the big hammer. You know.
Yeah. Who's this little guy?
My son made that. He's in Dublin actually. He's a metalwork teacher.
Oh, is he?
He's there nearly 2 years now. He did his degree in UL, so he got a job up in Dublin. Yeah, secondary school.
Yeah.
I know overhead crane there.
Overhead crane, yeah. So that comes in handy with the weight.
Yeah, a heavy gate or something like that.
Yeah. And that's what, a press or a...
Cutting steel, you know, square, round, flat. You could punch a hole instead of drilling it. There's a punch unit on that end, you know. When you punch a hole, then you get these, you get the slugs falling through like this. Different size punches, you know. Yeah.
Oh, that's your
Yeah.
your slug tray or whatever you want to call it.
So that's the punch there. It's a big punch in it now.
Oh yeah. Very cool. And then your hand, what's this, a bender?
Little bender, yeah. It's not much use really. It's alright for light stuff, you know, sheet metal.
Yeah.
But anything over a pint 8 or 1 mil anyway you won't have the power.
No. Looks cool though.
Huh?
Looks cool though.
Looks cool, looks old like it looks
Yeah.
the part. Yeah.
Again, probably a good one for demonstrations maybe.
Yeah.
We were talking about the price of metal. Obviously scrap metal's gone way up and the price of metal's gone way up.
Yeah, ridiculous.
It's bad, is it?
It's terrible, yeah.
Really?
Nearly double since Christmas actually.
Really?
It's gone. Well, this time last year anyway, it's gone nearly double.
Wow. Do you get a lot of people stopping in the summer?
Yeah, a lot of foreigners, yeah.
Yeah.
A lot of French,
Yeah.
some German, English, a lot of northern people like.
Yeah.
Not so many from the south of the world. Like.
Really?
No, a lot of Americans if they're in.
Yeah. When people are away in a different country, I think they're a bit more inclined to be curious about the local stuff. The local people just want to.
One of those two guy who was driving around from outside London, Kent, I think.
You sold it what?
One of these.
Oh yeah.
So,
And you took it off with them?
no, I had to ship it. Like I had to get it treated afterwards and all.
Oh, okay.
He didn't want it galvanized, so we put a marine lacquer, clear lacquer.
Oh, yeah.
He wanted to see the steel and all the
Okay.
all the hammer marks and all that. Like
That big massive vice in there.
and that's the old blacksmith voice there.
Unpress.
Yeah, very useful tool.
Yeah. Would you still use that now?
Yeah,
Yeah.
bending, straightening stuff. You know, you can make a little jig to fold bits and pieces and all that. You know.
Yeah. What are those brandings?
I make these kind of a branding iron for sheep. Back kind of matter of there was a lot of stealing going on, I guess. So
Of the sheep?
the owners would have to stamp them. So
In case they showed up at market or whatever?
yeah.
God, wonder what the sheep thinks of that.
They probably weren't impressed.
No, probably not.
So that's the story.
Fair play, Peter.
All right, take it easy.
Thanks very much. Have a good one.
Bye.